Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore a new function in the quick analysis tools available in the Analysis Toolkit module of the Creaform Integrity Suite, the cross-section export. This allows the user to quickly export one or a series of cross-sections directly as IGS or step files. We'll begin by clicking on the icon in the toolbar, which will prompt us to first define a plane feature. There are several ways to create a plane, but here I will construct it from existing entities. When I select the plane offset construction method, I need to toggle the derived entities so that the coordinate system becomes available to select. Here, I want the YZ plane. Okay, once the plane is created, the user is asked to define the cross-section. Here is an example with the whole mesh method set to 10, which will evenly space 10 sections along the entire mesh. I've also changed the output type to spline, which typically produces smoother curves than polylines. We'll be prompted to save our 10 cross-sections as one file. IGS and STEP are the most common formats. Looking good. Let's now see what these cross-sections would look like in another software, such as SolidWorks. I'll simply import the file I just saved, and it will open up with the same coordinate system as the original mesh. It's that simple. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials, we have a whole host of videos on our channel.